I test a lot of travel gear, but I find myself coming back to these two minimalist toiletry kits the most. The Sea to Summit Traveling Light and the Eagle Creek Isolate Quick Trip. Both bags weigh under 3 ounces. They're made from a treated Ripstop nylon fabric. They're not waterproof, but they repel water very well. These bags both come in 2 sizes. I have the smallest of each of them. This is the extra small version of the Quick Trip, which is about 8 by 4 by 2.5 wide. It has a 1.8 liter capacity, and it's also the lightest at about 1.4 ounces. If you want something a little larger, the small size is 10 by 5 by 3, and it holds about double the volume of the extra small. The Sea to Summit is also the small size. This thing is 9 by 6 by 3, a little larger than the Eagle Creek, about 2.5 liter capacity. It also weighs a little more at about 2.8 ounces. These bags have different styles, which is why I find myself alternating between them. The Sea to Summit is a hanging bag, while the Eagle Creek is just a simple pouch. The hanging bag is nice because it has great organization. Hook it up by this little hook, and all your toiletries are right there. It has these 2 thin zippered mesh pouches on the top and this large bottom compartment, which is great for bottles that you want to stand up. There's also another little mesh divider sleeve in here and a large zippered pocket on the back. And as an added bonus, there's an included mirror attaches to this little clip here, stores inside the main pouch, and then you just flip it out when you want to use it. Or you can remove it like I usually do and just take it into the shower with you. The Eagle Creek Quick Trip is a much smaller, simpler bag. There's just these 2 thin zippered pockets on the front and back and a large main compartment in the middle. I love the simplicity of this bag. It's extremely small, but it holds all of my toiletries well and forces me to pack light. It's also a nice little rectangular shape that's easy to pack and fits in my bag well. And to show you how much these bags can hold, I'll do a quick capacity comparison. On the Quick Trip, in these front and back pockets, I usually store my razor and comb separately from my toothbrush and toothpaste. These pockets are a little bit small for a full-size toothbrush, which is why I had to break this down. And then the main compartment will hold the rest of this gear. I have a hard shampoo bar, deodorant, some laundry soap, mini mirror, etc. And this is what all that stuff looks like packed into the extra small Quick Trip. All that fits easily into this Sea to Summit bag, which has the advantage of having more pockets to put all your small gear, as well as a larger main compartment. I can fit an additional 3 large stand-up tubs in this bottom section, which is nice because these things are gonna stand up in here when you hang the bag up, making them really easy to get to. That's all that stuff packed in the Sea to Summit bag. For comparison, you can see it is a little bit bigger than the Quick Trip. And if this isn't enough space for you, remember I have the smallest versions of these bags. They also come in a larger size of the same style. In summary, these are both great toiletry bags. The Eagle Creek, it's smaller, lighter, and great for short trips or if you don't have a lot of toiletries. The Sea to Summit is a little larger, but it has great organization because it hangs up here, has more pockets, easy access to all your toiletries. It also comes with that nice little mini travel mirror, but this thing is also about twice the price of the Quick Trip. That's all I have for the comparison. Sea to Summit Traveling Light Hanging Toiletry Kit, small size, and Eagle Creek Isolate Quick Trip in the extra small size. If you have any questions about these bags, let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.